welcome to the Big Bear Homestead. And today we're going to be gardening indoors. Hi, I'm Jason from the Big Bear Homestead. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn about everything homesteading, things like animal husbandry, gardening, food preservation, hunting, predator control, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget the bell. Well, today we're going to be talking about gardening indoors. What? Have I lost my mind? No. You can continue growing some vegetables indoors during the wintertime. It's starting to be winter here in Georgia. So we want to extend our growing season. So we're going to grow some root crops inside. Now, the unique thing about what we're doing is last spring we did a video, and I'm going to link it up here in a card, about hugelkultur. Well, we're bringing hugelkultur indoors. How am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to take an old aquarium and I'm going to layer my hugelkultur in my aquarium. I'm going to treat the aquarium like it is a raised bed. Now, the one thing I do have to be mindful of is moisture. Is when we water it, we can't let the water level get too high. But we have something for that, and we'll show you that in a later video. So what have we done? Well, we've done hugelkultur in here. We have put some logs down here, and then we've put the twigs and the leaves on the next layer, and then we've layered it with compost and topsoil in the last layer. And then we went ahead and planted some carrots, some radishes, and we planted something else. I forget what the third one was. But anyway, this is great not only to extend your growing season and to still be able to bring fresh vegetables to the table, but this is also an awesome homeschool science project. Now, in later videos, because we're going to keep you guys up to date with this, you will start to see the progress of our root vegetables growing. That's the one cool thing about doing this in an aquarium. As the seeds start to germinate, you will see in the front part, in our soil, you'll start to see your carrots take form. You'll start to see your radishes take shape. And that's great for your homeschool children, and they can keep a journal as things progress, and they can take pictures. So not only will you get a science lesson and a horticulture lesson, but you can also get a photography lesson in this one project also. But that's it in a nutshell. Hugelkultur in an old, busted out aquarium. So stay tuned as we continue to do update either videos, or we'll show clips on our live streams on Saturday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We may show clips and pictures basically updating you on how this is going along. So, if you guys are going to give this a try on your homestead, hey, let us know in the comments. Tell us what you think about this in the comments. So stay tuned for our next video with this, when we start to show you what we do with all the water that collects in the bottom after we've been watering. Thank you for coming by the Big Bear Homestead, and like always, have a nice day.